kwamba wamejitayarisha.
Let's cross over to the world of sports now. Despite the mechanical challenges with their brakes on the track, Ethan Nyachae and Kiplagat finished top of the MX2 category of the Round 8 in the Motocross Championship held at Jamhuri Autocross track. Nyachae scooped 60 points as Kigen settled on 34 of all 3 hits. In the MX85 ladies category, Alex Kandie Kiplagat steered through to the top, earning herself 53 points as Nandi Kiplagat came second with at least 50 points. The 9th round will see riders from Uganda cross over to Kenya for the showdown.
I got a good start and I was putting down good laps and consistent. But then I think halfway through, I must have lost a bolt or something in the engine because it just started smoking and I lost all my power. But I just cruised it in just to get the win.
I was not able to finish the first race, but now the second race it was a lot better. I had my spare bike and I'm feeling very comfortable on it now, and as the track develops, I'm just feeling more comfortable. So hopefully as we go into the last